I don't want to make toys.
We don't want to be late for the MightyOxTrading
I want to be a day trader.
Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Friday. Triple witching. Hope everyone's had a great night. Ready for a great day. I am here. Hello, everybody. It's a lot of names here. Not many. I don't usually have to say hello to everybody at the same time. So, hello everybody. I hope you're all having a good morning or afternoon or wherever you are. SK. If you have Discord, it'll be easiest to DM me on Discord. But also remember, you're going to need to give me time because we're giving away 60 prizes. So I'm going to need you all to give me some patience as I try to get to everybody. So let's look at our markets overnight. My face will be coming up at when we start announcing prizes. I will be on camera later. So overnight we went up and we came down. ES is high 68.54. It's low 68.20. That's 34 points in range. NQ 393 for the high. And looks like 209 for the low. Almost said ho. Still about 190 points in range. Good morning, Paul. Hey, Iman, how you doing? Copper popping right now. Copper's getting near its all-time high. It may have even hit it. I'm not sure. About 280 ticks. Ultra Bond having a sad day. About 3/4 of a point. Gold kind of flat. I didn't realize gold hit. I think gold hit all-time high yesterday finally. Then dropped hard. About 31 points in range there. Crude oil trying to pop back above 56. About 70 ticks. Natural gas coming down. And Bitcoin sitting about 87.8. So that's where we sit standard. Whatever body posture you're choosing to take today. Oops. Let me get logged in. There we go. Maybe. Wait, oh. Oops. Hit the wrong one. There we go. Hey, Rami. Moxie, good morning.
Remember, everyone, gore the like button to stay on Santa's
Morning,
nice
1891.
list.
Merry Oxmas. So we see the NQ popping up. We are going to do some trading here. We're going to do some fun. I'll throw up some of my AI stuff that I've been creating. Sent me a message on Insta. All right. Hey, trade current. So, is everybody ready for Christmas? And I don't just mean my Christmas. I mean overall Christmas. Rami sent me a message on Instagram. I do not see a message. Well, let's make sure here. I do not see any messages from any. I haven't had any messages in 3 days. Hey, Jay. All right. So we get to do some trading here. We do have a little bit of news later on. Doing good. Do have a Trader 12 Days of Christmas that me and AI created together. That we'll do in a bit. I will not sing the whole song, just the last day. You don't need to get earplugs. Hey, MR, how you feeling, MR? Give a pop here and then Q. I missed it because I was typing to somebody. It is at MightyOxTrading. Looks like this. $3,593 posts, 405 followers, 571 followers.
Remember, everyone, score the like button
I
to
want to be
stay
a day
on
trader.
Santa's nice list.
Nice pop here. So I'm gonna do an experiment on for the last 2 days. I mean, the last 2 weeks. Of using just a 5-minute chart. No, I was. Someone sent me a message on Instagram, but apparently it wasn't the right account. So I was just making sure he knew which account to send to. I would play Christmas music, but YouTube doesn't allow me to do that. I am going to be slightly distracted. Right at the end of the giveaway entry time, we got a whole bunch of invalid entries that I need to go make invalid from one country. They did not follow the rules, and the fact that it happened so rapid fire, I think it was done by a bot. It may be all one person. Morning, Robin. Philippines. The Philippines. Literally about, looks to be like 30 to 40 names and over 200 entries. So when we announced it, it's only on the 12th day of Christmas. So when I get to that, there may be a pause. I'm not rigging anything. I don't want anyone when they accuse me of that. There may be a pause just to make sure that the entry is valid, because I'm going through and invalidating a lot of these, but I may miss some just because of the sheer number of them. The sneeze you just heard was my cat. Reminder, hold on a minute, that today is triple witching.
Today is triple witching. We are back in charge today, fat boy.
MR. NQ trying to pop back up. It's gotten above 25,303. We do. University of Michigan sentiment final at 10 a.m. Eastern time. NQ continue to try and grind up here. And hold on, my Discord is having an issue. Suddenly we're getting hammered with new people joining. They're all actually doing the CAPTCHA, but they all appear to be the same. So for the last 2 weeks of the year, I'm going to experiment with playing with the 5-minute chart. I think it's going to give me better results. What the heck did I just do? If you look at the 5-minute chart here, for my entries, purple candles there both would have been great, and then this beautiful green candle coming out of the brown would have been great. I just think it gives overall better entries for my system. They're all in the same 3 mutual servers. Maybe not. Yeah. Something weird's happening. You can't hear me, MR? Is everybody else hearing me? Okay. Yeah, all of those accounts joined Discord 8 months ago. So this is definitely an odd thing going on. We'll have to monitor that. Gold rising up, NQ rising up. I won't ban a whole country just, because of some idiots. I mean, the thing is, joining, they only did the 12th day, which is, of course, the big prizes, but I said I was not going to be shipping the big prizes to outside of the United States. So, I mean, there is a chance, the cash prizes, but it seems that they didn't even pay attention to the fact that they're not going to win the big prizes. No problem, MR. Well, I mean, I'm invalidating their entries. So, I mean, it just gave me extra work. And cue the purple candle there. So, is everybody planning to trade the next 2 weeks, or who's taking off the next 2 weeks? Hey, Fosville. NQ slowly grinding up. If I had been paying attention, I would have taken that blue candle, but unfortunately, I once again still invalidating entries here. Cool. I know some people take the 2 weeks off because volume's lower. Topstep used to actually ban all their funded traders from trading the week between Christmas and New Year's. They don't do that anymore, but they used to. Now the question is whether anyone will be able to trade on Topstep on any day because of their platform. By the way, also in prop news, in case you missed it, I have removed funding ticks and will no longer be promoting them at this point. We'll monitor the situation in case things improve. But right now, I'm not happy with them. Yeah, and the retroactive rules that cause people to fail retroactively or blow their accounts, whatever. Nah, that doesn't fly with me. Retroactive rules, that's why I've removed you profit from promotion. And there's other signs that they might be in trouble. So until they change what they had and show signs of stability. Moxley, the reason is because Fatak wanted to not have to pay Tradovate anymore, and Rhythmic. He felt his own platform was good enough, and claims that people do better on it. It's just a power thing with Patak, in my opinion. So grinding up here, just about hit the 100 EMA and pulls back. Someone's IMing me ferociously. There we go. Hey, smooth operator. Sorry. Yeah, I mean, I've been warning people about Batak for the last year or so. He's been getting a power trip. In my opinion, he feels he's created this industry, and he doesn't like the fact that other props have become as big as him, and he wants to take that power back. That's just my opinion. Jazz B, yes. Winners are announced in about 90 minutes. Hey, USC, sorry I missed you there. We're much more traffic today. We have some news right at 10 o'clock Eastern, and then after that, we will be announcing winners. Trading Things platform? I've never heard of it. Pulls back just a tad. Hey, John, good to see you. Do any prop firms have it though, Smooth? Remember, we're kind of limited to if it has prop. support. Crypticon, good morning. All right, Crypt. That's okay. JJR, good morning. I've never heard of them either. Are they futures or are they Forex? Oh, okay. So rhythmic works. Okay. Are they any good? Is there something? Are they ones I should be looking into? Okay. Okay. I did see that with you, Profit, a while back. Okay, Crypt. If anyone, you're not going to be able to answer me, but I just got a report that someone isn't able to chat. Their chat box is missing. Maybe try your phone, see if it's there. If you're not on the phone already, or try PC if you are on the phone. I appreciate you all being here. Yeah, you two gave me an error for the chat earlier today when I first tried to pop it out because I pop it out of the window so I can put it anywhere, and it kept giving me an error. There's IMAD. IMAD's the one that asked me about it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Google and YouTube having a problem right now. Good news is I think I'm all caught up on eliminating. Now, like I said, I will have to be careful when I do the pick the winners to make sure, but we do have a Fed speaker speaking right now. Yes, we'll be announcing them in about 90 minutes, Trade Current. Yeah, Brave has a lot of security features. You do not have to be here to claim prizes. But if I need to email you about it, make sure you check your spam folders because sometimes when you put things in the title of like something winner, it'll go to spam.
Remember, everyone, gore the like button to stay on Santa's nice list.
Nice bounce there. Gonna try and break this 100 EMA. Blue candle. Good morning. Oh boy, I don't know how to say your name at all. Anby is how I'm going to start it, and you can tell me if there's a name I should call you. I hate butchering names. Yes, trade current. These are totally random draws. So it's not like the Cardinal. Poor thing. Hello, SMK. Welcome to the stream. Welcome everybody to the stream that has never been here before. Hold on. I have that it closes early on Christmas Eve and is closed for Christmas Day, JJR. Does not appear to close early on New Year's Eve, but closes full closure on New Year's Day. Hey, Parvati. I apologize if I'm messing up anybody's names. I hate it, but I suck at it. Hello, trades by now. So we are trading a little bit here and are trying to while we wait for time to announce winners. Hey, many tries. RN sub. So many new people. Yeah, 1 Eastern. Octopus. Oh, there's a pop on NQ up to 328, overnight high 393, so we're still a ways off of that. Raja, Muhammad, welcome, welcome. Feel like Patrick Whelan today. We will be streaming next week, Monday and Tuesday, then taking off Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then we'll be streaming the following week on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I just meant by the number of people in the stream right now and how fast the chat's moving. So look at that nice blue candle. We're up 23 points on this 5-minute candle. And still rising. I don't know. I'm watching what the Fed guy's saying, but I don't see anything that's really causing this pop. And I missed the move. I don't take the big blue huge blue candle like that. Morning, Profit Club. Or Profit Cub, sorry. Pulls back a bit. So did everybody bring a covered dish or a baked good? Yeah, gold looks a little choppy right now. I'm looking at it at the 5-minute. Sorry you took the loss. Hey, Kier, once again, I'm sorry if any butchering of names, I apologize. Pipsy Hamster, welcome. Oh, big drop. Should have taken that purple candle. So that was my setup. For those of you who don't normally follow me, that's one of my setups. Shaded area means that there could be a reversal coming. Purple candles and engulfing. That was a great setup, and I could have got 20. I think they have the same, but I haven't used Tradovate desktop in a while. I only use the app. And honestly, I don't even use Tradovate's app. I mean, I don't even use Tradovate's desktop. I use NinjaTrader with the Tradovate data feed. But one thing I kind of want to do in the new year with MightyOxTrading is start comparing platforms, reviewing platforms, etc. Hello, Maha. Hope you don't mind me calling you Maha because I know I'll butcher that full name. And we popped right back up. I keep struggling with a 100 EMA on the 5-minute chart. Easy for me to say.
What happened? Grandma got run over by NQ.
Grandma got run over by NQ. Trading from our house Christmas Eve. Yep, for those of you who have never been here before, I do live stream every day, Monday through Friday, 8 to 11 Eastern. And of course, our Discord community is wonderful. We actually have an engagement program in there that if you do certain things in the Discord, you can win cash prizes. I like AI videos, but I don't overdo them on a normal day. But you're going to see a lot of them today because I made a lot of them for Christmas. Meant to use them in various places and just haven't gotten them done. We are about 14 minutes till the top of the hour. Q kind of chopping around here. We have a lot of fun, but we get a lot of trading done here as well. Try to have a balance. So for all you people that have ever been here before, I usually like to ask new people questions, but there's so many people that it's hard to ask. But I always like to ask, how long have you been trading? And what assets do you like to trade? Little blue candle struggling to get above the 9. Actually, the 9 and the 100 are kind of in knots right now. Yes, and your favorite baseball team. We do sometimes talk baseball here. as well. We're talking baseball. ATR's at 9. Doesn't feel like it, but it is. Ooh, that popped. Okay, so curious, MR, since you're from the Netherlands, how did you become to like the Brewers? Cool, Paul. Yeah, I'm mostly on Q, but now playing with gold on the 5-minute. So we got the blue candle pop on the 5, watching that. Interested if it can get above the 100 EMA. It doesn't look like it's going to close above the 100. Seattle has gotten a lot calmer. I've been looking at it, and it actually seems boring now. That doesn't move as much as it used to in the past. Hey, SK Futures, how you doing? See, it's struggling with that 100 EMA. It can't get above it. Here's our Christmas story parody AI.
I want a trading computer.
You'll hit your stop loss, kid.
Just trying to push up. Still failing. Hello, Who Knights. How you doing? Sorry to hear that. And here are the two AIs I did for yesterday, in case you missed it. This one was for the CPI report.
With this damn inflation, everyone is just gonna get socks.
And he's still struggling here, trying to get above this 330 area. This was for the unemployment.
I cannot believe he replaced us with AI.
Fed speaker's done speaking. Yeah, I agree, JJR. And we will wait a couple minutes after 10 a.m. to start the winter stuff because of that. I'm doing good, thank you. Remember, today's price action can be wonky because of its triple witching. Yep, we're chopping around. Tell you what, guys, after the top of the hour, see if we get a top of the hour pop. And if we, after that, I will do the first day of giveaway. And pick the winners for that. This is a little bit to liven things up. Someone needs, who's the bartender for this party? We need some, we need to get things livened up. Hey, JC. Convict, how are you? Yeah, he's not here yet. Teo's not here. Teo's not here yet. Now, you're all going to have to trust me because... what? Because if I show the competitions on stream, if I show the winners being picked, it shows their email address. So I can't do that. So you're just going to have to trust me. No ace yet. Big drop here at the top of the hour. Down 12 points, 15 points. Drops down to 303, trying to bounce. So on the first day of Christmas, Mighty Ox gave to me Fidias evals, drawing the winners. $161 potential users picked. We got Trader 007NQ. We got Ryan Humanick. We got Profit Cub. I saw him in here earlier. And Nicole Byer. So reach out to me on Discord or email MightyOxTrading@gmail.com and I will get you your code. Good morning, Ace. $11 more days to go for the giveaways, not the... Still dropping here on NQ, down to 300, trying to break through. Dashing through the snow. The giveaway is not over. Oh, I've just did the first day to kind of prime things. The giveaway is happening for the most part at the top of the next hour. And yes, I will be on camera. We're not giving away Yahoo. Yahoo's gotten really cheap, but it's not that cheap. Yeah, I still use Yahoo email. My Yahoo email has 609,484 emails in it. 506,000 of those are unread. And keep trying to push up here again. Cannot get through the 100 EMA on the 5. Let me switch over to that 5-minute chart. Here, you can see that 100 EMA, that red line. You can see it bumping its head on it. Boom, 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 boom. Now that sounds kind of like a club. It's trying to break. Greg just posted in the Discord that today is the busiest option expiration day ever in market history. So volatility could be really weird today. SK, he's talking about ES, and Ace has a saying 2 points a day. He doesn't tell us how many contracts he trades, but 2 points a day can feed a family. To the fact we've done AI on it.
Remember, 2 ES points a day can feed your family.
Remember, 2 points on ES is $100. It means that for 2 points on ES with a few contracts is a good day. I mean, 2 points on ES is $100. So if you're doing that, I mean, like I said, I don't know how many contracts he uses. That's between him and the IRS. But let's say he's using 3. That's $300 a day. And he's one of the most consistent traders I know. He rarely has a red day. Yesterday he got 10 on a runner. And we always kid him on the days he doesn't get his 2 points, which part of the family is not going to eat. Smooth operator, I only did the first one. The rest will come at the top of the next hour. Hey, Ron, good to see you. Platt, USC. You do not need to be here to win. But if I need to email you, make sure you check your spam folders, because sometimes, because I include, giveaway winner or whatever, various emails will throw it in spam. So, guys, very quickly it's all done in the Gleam.io app. So, yeah, I'll show that real quick as soon as I find it again. This is the issue with having there it is. So here you can see it says 3 winners unpicked. I just hit that and I just hit draw winners and it will draw the winners for me. Hey, M&M 2672. So that's how the winners are picked. And then there's 4 that are being automatically picked by the Discord software. I have approximately that's just in one window. I have approximately 150 tabs open total. This is why I need 128 gigs of RAM. And I missed that blue candle. Darn it. Finally got above that 100 EMA. Sorry I'm not taking a lot of trades, guys. There's a lot going on. I do normally take more trades than this. Well, once I hit draw winners, it'll show me the winners' names and I'll announce them. I bought that RAM a year ago, Paul. Thankfully. Both computers I'm running have 128 gigs of DDR5 RAM. So if I ever really get down on my luck, I can just sell the RAM. Giveaway is not over. Giveaways will be announced at the top of the hour. We did one so far, just one. Well, my computer also has a 4090 graphics card, so. NQ up to 350. This looks like we're riding high into the open. As for how to see the winners' names, I will be announcing the winners just because, like I said, Gleam shows the email as well, and I don't know how to blur that out in any way. So, like I said, you're going to have to trust me. Good morning, Teo. All right, guys, do you want to hear the 12 Days of Christmas trader version? Oh, as NQs is running wild now. Finally broke that 100 EMA. Let me grab a drink. Yes, bells in 11 minutes. Bells will be ringing. Okay, I'm not going to do the whole song, 1 day, 2 day. I'm just going to do the last day. On the 12th day of trading, the market gave to me 12 bag holders holding, 11 fake breakouts, 10 ticks of slippage, 9 pre-market gappers, 8 algos trapping, 7 support lines breaking, 6 hedgers hedging, 5 golden crosses, 4 falling knives, 3 red weeks, 2 stop losses, and an account blown on a Trump tweet. RN sub, I believe it's automated. They're very quick. Maybe not quite as quick as Lucid and MFU, but it's very quick. And they've never denied a payout. No one wants to hear me sing the whole song, Teo. Silver bells, which cost a lot more right now. Silver bells, it's Christmas time on the Mott server. Ring-a-ling. Like I said, we have fun here. Normally there's more trading being done, but today's kind of weird, so. I am hoping to get a trade in the after the bell. I actually do buy stamps because I send baseball cards in the mail.
Remember, everyone, gore the like button to stay on Santa's nice list.
Might be topping out here, getting right near the high of day. 393 is the high. Whoa, 45 likes today. Somebody did not like it. 45 likes, 1 dislike. Must have been the singing. Next year, I'd like to get 12 of you to join, well, 11 of you to join me, and we will sing the whole song, and we'll put it on YouTube. Honestly, Ace, I'm a little concerned about RJ, in all seriousness. He's not been showing up on that other stream either. I sent him an email last night, and I have not heard anything back. Oh, quick whip down there. That was the 5-minute till algo. Yeah, CFT. I mean, he's still around. He just went all off his rocker. So quick move down here. Did not get up to the high of the day. Quick move down, 26-point candle. IMAD was here earlier. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, okay. And G-Man's in the Discord server, Ace. Yeah. We had another G, Mr. G. Not sure what happened with him. Nice flat. So we're just a little bit over from a little bit over half hour away from Santa Ox appearing. This really dropped about 50 points in the last few minutes. Oh, Thrive. Mr. G, I'm not sure what's going on. He's not answering me on Twitter either. I wished him a Merry Christmas on one of his posts.
2 minutes till the bell.
Oh, Scott Trieste or whatever, yeah. He's trying to launch another prop firm, but I'm not sure. Fast track trading, I'm at. Oh, big pop. Got a whole bunch of that drop back. I have no idea what's going to happen here at the open.
Says every time the bell rings, traders blow up their
Blue Sky's
accounts.
still alive, doing a lot better than I thought they would. Pop here at the bell. Tries to get at the high day. Misses it by 2 points. There, now we got the high. 398. And we break 400. Can we hold it? Looking a little overextended on the 15. We might see a pullback. So apparently all those new joiners on Discord's a bot army. We're up to 430. Big move here. Santa Claus rally may have arrived between yesterday and today. I'm glad you did, and glad it worked out. Because if not, if that wouldn't have worked out, you would have been beating yourself over the head. We are up 85 points since the open. Yeah, I tried that whole making everyone happy thing for too long, and this made me miserable. Yeah, that bot army just joined all the giveaways. So if it picks any of them, I'm gonna disqualify them. Red candle here. And we just took a trade. Short 438. I should have taken it for 10. It's bouncing. All right, now going back down. Come on. Nah. Yeah. Nope. It's going to stop me out. Came down 10, bounced. I was going for 20. It didn't give it to me. Oops, you guys didn't. Well, maybe you saw it. Let me see. Luckily, it was not on the copy trader. So that worked. Might be a good day not to use the copy trader now that I think about it. Next year, maybe we'll do a MightyOxTrading gift exchange.
And all the traders go boo-hoo!
I don't know, SK. I'm just gonna take a trade on a Apex eval. I'm not gonna copy trade to anything else. I'm not gonna trade a funded account. That stop. Well, no, I would have got stopped out either way though, Jay. I mean, unless I put it way high. I mean, it's gone back up almost 30 points. Now we're getting a purple. Did you bring enough for the party, Jay? Teo, you're the bartender, right? Not sure morning Christmas party should have a bartender, but in at 426, shooting for. It's gonna bounce on me again. Wow, so I should be going for 10 points apparently because it would have went 10 points for me and then bounced again. I'm in a 426 quarter. It's like it's confused right now. There it goes. We took it for 12 points there.
We are taking that profit right to the bank.
Oh, looks like I took it at the right time. Big bounce right back up. Glad I got out where I did. Took us back to green. And we're rising back. Another new high, 465. Gold also rising. Okay, so the brown, I came up with something that kind of weird, but it works. When the price moves from further from the moving average, the 9 moving average, then bigger. When that gets bigger than the ATR, it shows this brown, which indicates a possible reversal. And you can see that it works pretty well. Here, down, here, up. This one would have been a fake out. Well, it would have worked. I mean, I took it, but it would have been 10 points, but I went for 20. I was greedy. So it works often. And it's the indicator is custom written for me by Jay. horse. Yeah, shows a pop. I mean, what I do is I wait for the first red candle. So you see, like here, it came down, this green candle started going up. Here, we got the brown, kind of a fake out there. I also look at the RSI. If the RSI still looks like the yellow line still looks like it's rising, I'm careful. And then, I use my purples down. But yeah, so I'm watching for a reversal. See how it worked here, 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 little bit here. Did not work there. Could have got out in the first red. There, etc. NQ's having a good day. Russell flying as well. Dow flew. It's pulled back a bit. ES flying. Yeah, I'm sure somebody else has realized this, but I came up with it myself. And then I had Jay code it for me. I mean, we haven't published it, or I haven't published it, but I mean, I could send it to you, I think. We're about 17 minutes away from the top of the hour. We have news at the top of the hour, University of Michigan sentiment, and that's an important one. So we'll let that news play out for a couple minutes, and then we will start announcing winners. NQ approaching 25,500 here. I know today's P&L does not show it because I can't log into Apex on the computer that's being called from because I already had 2 instances going. But we're up $23 so far. Correct. Only available for TradingView. I don't know if Jay has the skills to code for Quant Tower or not. Jay, can you code for Quant Tower? Wow, look at this run. 518, the new high. Santa Claus rally indeed. IMADs were offering paid cash money if you are interested in that at all. And IMAD's been a friend for a couple of years now. I trust him, so it's obviously up to you if you want something else on your plate. No, Ace, be happy with what you got for the weekend. Although, if you're trading to get Christmas dinner, I've seen what the price of ham looks like. I don't know what you have for Christmas dinner. You might not have ham. I have ham. Up to 546. Just
to the moon.
One of you remind me later on today, and I will set up a Discord room between you two. Hey, Daniel, nice to see you. This is probably a very stupid entry. Look at it chasing me back up. Only on an Apex eval. It's the only reason I would not have taken that trade on a funded. But now it's probably going to work. Made it 542.75. Oh, by the way, I'm at. Look at that. Look at the drop on gold after that brown shaded area. This seems to work a lot better on a 5-minute chart than a 1-minute chart.
You didn't forget the gold, did you?
I'm waiting for a pullback in GC.
It's going to be a big loss here for me if this hits the stop, which it looks like it's going to. I was willing to try putting it at the high. Like I said, it's just an Apex eval. Yep, stopped out.
All I want for Christmas is a win! Sorry you're on the naughty list.
So here, it's going to tempt me again. I've played with a 3-minute chart as well. It seems like a good compromise between a 5 and a 1.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Dang it. Didn't get my stop moved in time there.
Order filled.
Wow, it dropped down to my target, but it did not fill me. See you, Daniel. Just bobbing around my entry. Purple candle. Trying to get some momentum down. There we go. Maybe. Every time I say there we go, it pops back up. Nice, JJR. Just messing with me here now. Say anything? RJ's not there, is he? Wow, bounced off that 9 to the exact T. I should have put my target there, I guess. It's trying to come down again. Nope. Now it tries to break the 9. Can it? Can it? Can it?
Order filled.
Took it for, I don't even remember. Where did I enter that at? I think it was 19 points. There we go.
Screw white Christmas. I'm dreaming of a green Christmas.
All right. But I think NQ's going to drop even more. I should have held it. Why do I think that? Look at the 5 minute. Look at the 5 minute coming out of that brown area. That's why I was so willing to hold it on the 1. Yep, news in 4 minutes. Give me about 2 minutes here. I'm going to mute the mic. I'll be back here shortly. Ace, you're in charge. That might not be a good idea, but Ace, you're in charge. All right, guys, I'm back. And news just hit. Give me one more minute. All right. Okie dokie. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas. All right, folks. Cataclysm Harbinger of the End. What a name. Welcome. Ho, ho, ho. All right, let me find the deal window again. Not deal. A gleam. Not sure why I call it deal. Okay, no, that's not the right window. Problem with having 42,000 tabs is that you lose the tab you want. Boop. Boop. It's here somewhere. You know what? I can just go to a different one. Let's go to a different one. Oh, there it is. All right. On the second day of Christmas, the Mighty Ox gave to me Bow and Ox evals. I'm at, I got a desk mic with the new setup. All right, let's draw the winners of the Bow and Ox. We have Marco De Leo, Rajmani Kumar, and Malahaska Sherm 89. No one I've ever heard of. So that was the winners for the MightyOxTrading second day of Christmas. Why do I need to show you the name? Hey. Chase, how you doing? Have you been a good boy? Let's be nice, guys. Let's be nice. Okay, third day of Christmas. On the third day of Christmas, the mighty ox gave to me. Cheapest 50K eval. Do you want to know the all-in price or the just the eval price? Okay, third day of Christmas giveaway, trade day, which I was it's very interesting the fact that trade day came in like third or fourth in the most entries. All in right now, the cheapest is Funded Futures Network and Trade Day for intraday, and then My Funded Futures Core for end of day. Lucid Flex is also there. Okay, on the third day of Christmas, the mighty ox gave to me. Parvati 8996, Richard Marine, and Aware FX Trader. And let's see, now our fourth day of Christmas, which is Funded Futures Network. I should have uploaded all 12 days of Christmas videos, the videos that I did. Nobody I ever heard of. And I am going to blow these names bad. Ravik Kairan Vladapudi, Adi, Adii, Elma Chowdhury, and Edmuzan Zero. Nice to yeah. Hey, Casey, how you doing? Merry Christmas. So I'm bummed so far that I don't know any of these people. I mean, obviously, whoever wins, wins, but... Fifth day of Christmas. On the fifth day of Christmas, the mighty ox gave to me Legends evals. Okay, here we got Silver Teed. That's from that person's from Estonia. Then we have two from the United States. We have Sovereignty 42616 and Kate Polyak Brown. I'm going to have to email a lot of people. Hey, pardon me. Because we're not getting anybody. Okay, this is going to be a big one. Wait a minute. Did I screw this up? Hold on. I may have screwed something up here. No, I didn't. Okay, never mind. Thought I made some of the Apex on the Discord, but I didn't. So we're going to have 10 winners of Apex accounts. On the 6th day of Christmas, Mighty Ox gave to me 10 Apex evals, which doesn't make sense. All right. We have FX Wiz, Hong Sik Kim, Paul Michael Talbot, Nitish Kumar. I think I saw a name like that earlier. Maybe. Is that you, Nitish? You have Henny Paktik Neil. They're from the Netherlands. I think that's what NL stands for. Yeah, it's Netherlands. Tazia Minor. Ryan Humanek. Yes, you can win multiple days. Kelly Kostick. Shi Wangi 020. And Nicholas Jansen. They're from Sweden. Those are the 10 winners of the Apex evals. Yeah, I'm going to do a lot of emails. Okay, 8th day. 7th day is Discord only. The Discord winners aren't announced till 10:30 Eastern because I didn't think to set it up for the right time. Eighth day. On the 8th day of Christmas, Mighty Ox gave to me Lucid evals. Here are the winners of the 3 Lucid evals. We have Makoto Walner. They're from the United States. Yongwit Susatit from Thailand. And Ken Mann from Great Britain. Beard is itchy. On the 9th day of Christmas, the Mighty Ox gave to me Take Profit Trader evals. Okay, we have 2 different sizes of evals for there. For the 50K, Papanow from Hungary, Budapest, Hungary. Eric Lever, I recognize that name, I don't know from where. Rob Pitzer, I recognize that name too. I think they're coming here. Ken Mann. He just won 2 in a row. And Melody Cook. She is on the Discord and sometimes comes in here. So she wins a 150K Take Profit Trader eval. First name I recognized for sure. On the 10th day of Christmas, the Mighty Ox gave to me 10. Now, well, actually, it's 7 My Funded Futures. The other 3 are picked on the Discord. NQ popping back up. I don't think any of these are bot spam, but we'll see. By the way, if someone does not answer my email, we will re-roll these after Christmas. Or maybe sometime next week. I don't know yet. Oh, here we go. Boom, 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 boom. On MMFU, we have Rishi Patel. MR. I have no idea how to pronounce your last name, so I'm just going to say MR. You want a My Funded Futures 50K core evaluation? Maha Lakshmi. Greg Smith. Someone just with the username. You know what? I'm re-rolling that. I don't like that. That one I'm going to re-roll. Someone with just a name of A. Sounds like spam. Champignane. Boy. That one's from the U.S. It's the entries are closed, XL. Let me re-roll this one. Repick win. Another person from the Netherlands. P. Yevgeny. I think I have beard in my mouth. Gross. Hey, FOMO. Ho, ho, ho. Santa Ox has arrived. Okay, on the 11th day of Christmas, the Mighty Ox gave to me Tradovate evals. On that last one, it's Yevheni. Nice to see you, Greg. So for the Tradovate, we have Alessandro, Aware FX Trader, and third, I gotta go check. Third name is from Saudi Arabia. I gotta make sure that they can trade with Tradovate. Yeah, they can. Okay. That name is Hisham. Man. All right, so we're down to the big one, the 12th day of Christmas. We still have 10 minutes until the Discord goes off. But we'll do the 12th day now. But you're gonna have to give me some time on it because I'm gonna verify that they actually not a bot, not and all that fun stuff. All right, I got to re-roll the switch too because that's Finland. Patricia Anderson won the iPad. NAOAB077 won the $100 cash, and Hong Sik Kim $100 cash. I got to re-roll the switch. I was wondering when I saw that if that was you, Trades by now. Okay, repick that winner. US, Amy Mosley wins the Nintendo Switch 2 at the Mario Kart. No, Hong Sik Kim. Yeah, that's going to take a while, MKP Futures, but I'll try. And now we have about 7 minutes till the Discord winners are announced. And that's going to take a while, too, because I think all those bots that joined earlier entered that. So I might end up having to repick some stuff there. God, this thing's itchy. The ones that do this full time must have higher quality. Granted, I only paid $10 for this. NQ, at least NQ is nice and did pretty much nothing the entire time I was doing this. Trades by now, are you on Discord? Uh-oh, is Discord out? I'm still seeing Discord. Next year, what we'll do, we'll have separate giveaways. We'll have some for the general population and some for hardcore community members. Obviously, the idea is to help grow the community, but also to give back to the community that's already here. And I hate that I only recognize 2 names. NQ trickling down here, back under 500. I mean, I think most of these are real winners, but like I said, they're going to have to answer, well, you know what? Let me go through. I can look at some of these winners. We did get one winner from Morocco. One of the winners, their Twitter is just all contest entries. Hey, Mervin, Merry Christmas. Little bounce there. So yeah, next year we will split it. So make sure you're active throughout the year. So next year I plan on making this bigger and better. A lot of these accounts are just checking their Twitters, are all they do is retweet contests. There's a nice pop. If your name is Rummy in the thing, no. But we do have the Discord ones to go off yet. If that's your name that you used, you did not win. But I will over the weekend at some point. I'll try to get everybody's username in the Discord so everybody can look. But I will also be emailing everybody. Everyone will get an email, but that one. But make sure you check your spam folders because starting off with the title of or subject line of giveaway winner or whatever can get it filtered in spam. Okay, Discord winners just went off. I'm gonna have to go through this. I'm mad. You won a Legends 50K. Melody. Wow, she's lucky today. She won the Futures Desk giveaway. Melody also, wow, Melody won 3. She also won a My Funded Futures Core. The other names that won, I gotta look at them. Hold on. When did you join? Oh, wow, that person's been here. Bishop, 5x5. Somebody by the name of Karma will hit you. right. Akash. And let's see this one. Someone by the name of LSJN. I don't know who that is. Matt, I gotta find your code in my email, and then I'll get it to you. Now, what I do hope, guys, is that obviously I know a bunch of people are new, have found this community and everything because of this giveaway. Ace. So I hope you'll stick around. You know, we are a fun community, but we're a very supportive community. I wouldn't. There's a good chance I wouldn't still be trading if I wasn't for this community. So, you know, we support each other. We're not just posting up big gains and making people feel bad. You know, it's just overall a good community. So I hope you'll continue to be a part of it. I'm still working to be a consistent trader. So if you're looking for someone that's going to put up $10,000 gains every day, like a Patrick Whelan, no, that's not going to be us here. But it is, you know, it's the reality of trading, the ups and downs and all that. And when trading's slow, you know, when we're having a slow, choppy day, we joke around and we talk about pineapples or baseball. But if you try to stay serious all the time, it can start burning you out. At least that's my opinion. So, you know, I wish more of you that had been here had won. Like I said, we're going to make changes for next year. We do 2 big giveaways. Obviously, this is the biggest one, but we also do one in September. I will try to do more as I can get my hands on things to give away. But I like to be able to support the community that supports me. And like I said, next year, people that are here regularly, people that are part of the community regularly, will make sure that you guys are more represented. Well, like I said, we'll split it up between two different ways to enter. Also, for those of you that aren't aware, we have a Discord engagement program that we run each month. If you do things like post your daily P&L, post your weekly stats, review a prop firm, post your prop payouts, just things like that, you get points, and then every month we give away $500 to various people, $250 to the person who earns the most points in a month, and then randomly what is it? Yeah, $100 to $250 prizes and $225 prizes. So, you know, get in on that, become part of the Discord community. Very supportive there as well. Engaging, a lot of good trader talk, a lot of good non-trader talk too. So, you know, I hope you all become a permanent part of MightyOxTrading. I don't have a list yet. I will work on a list, but again, if you won, you will get an email from me probably today, maybe tomorrow, but probably today. No trades today, Tris? Yeah, just remember, it's going to take me a while to get all the emails out. There was somebody very similar to your name, Nitish, so you may have one, but I can't say for sure. Absolutely. You too, Trades By. And I did respond to you on Discord, Trades By. One sec, Nitish, and I apologize if I'm butchering your name. What name did you use to enter, Nitish? You can tell me your name. I can verify it right now. All right. See you next week, JC. What did I do? S 50 sovereignty or whatever. Hold on one second. I swear I seen a name that was. No, mail the. I will be sending emails throughout the day. I can't do it all while still on stream. Let me just go back through the names here. I thought I saw a name that looked like that. But I could be wrong. Maybe I was imagining it. Oh, wait. Sovereignty. Yep. Yep. You won, I don't remember what this was. Day 5. Legends? Hold on. Yeah, you won a Legends 50K Apprentice eval, Sovereignty. Are you on Discord, Sovereignty? If you can send me a DM there, please, and at some point today, I will get you your code. And I'm sorry about that, Aditya. And if I mispronounced that, I apologize. Obviously, you know, with hundreds of people entering, and Q showing a purple candle in the 5. Okay, yeah. I literally have 12 tabs up with names and email addresses. I will literally have to copy and paste every single one of them. So asking me to post it in the Discord isn't the easiest thing to do. This is why I said I got to email people. So that would be my first thing to do, because it's re-rolled. I don't remember what name it was. I re-rolled someone from Sweden for the Nintendo Switch that because I said I'd only send to the United States.
Order filled.
I don't think they do still do the government cheese. I did take a short here in NQ. And it bouncing on me. I will say that cheese was darn good, the government cheese. I will be sending emails to everybody. They will go out sometime today or maybe tomorrow.
Order filled.
Took that trade off of 12 points. Yeah, basically. MK, you probably didn't win. If you did, you will get an email. I am trying very hard to be patient here, but this is the reason that there's other influencers that don't do giveaways. Ace, only if they've already asked. There's some people that might be coming in at the end that don't know. I should have stayed in that trade, but that's okay. I got my 12. Yeah, I didn't expect to take any more trades, but I did. RTY. Russell's pulling back. YM's pulling back. Everything's making the same move basically right now. I did not re-roll you. Is your username the same as it is here or close to it? Why would I have re-rolled you? Bitcoin, big pullback. Yeah, I tried to make this fair for everybody. When I saw that I basically got attacked last night on the 12th day by the Philippines, I spent literally 3 hours invalidating the invalid entries, but I had to go by person. I actually got up early to finish that job. I just want to get back to the community, and I'm sorry that not everybody can win. I know. No, when it wasn't just him, that MKP also was doing it. This needing a list. No, I know. I'm just a little frustrated, but I mean, I know you guys are all, like I said, next year we will probably focus more on the established community versus opening it up to everybody. So that means if you all want to be eligible for prizes going forward, you'll want to be an engaged member of this community. Well, we'll figure it out. Oh, I know. Let's go look. Let's see if he gave us dislike.
Remember, everyone, Gore the like button to stay on Santa's nice list.
Yeah, my beard will soon match Sid Chase's. $57 likes today, guys. That's awesome. 96.6. I think that means it's one downvote. Sid is here, Ace. No Bull Investments. Yeah, that's Sid. Just one downvote. 57 likes, 1 dislike. Pop up there, right, Q? Hi guys, I blacked out for a while. What was going on? I really need a haircut. Well, this will be, you can play it back for a race. Thank you, Jay. Sorry, that's odd. Someone must have taken trades while I was gone because my balance is better. Wow. Holy crap, really? Smooth operator, everybody that won will be getting an email. I don't think so. I mean, it's possible, but I don't think they are. Honestly, I think Topstep might be the biggest again, but with their recent issues, that might be changing. Tradingview's also paid out over $100 million in their first year, so they're really rolling. Eddie. Hey, Eddie. Psst. Come here. He's been sleeping. He's still laying on his chair. If he comes over, come here. Come here quick. Stream's going to end soon. You know, every other day you're bugging me. Eddie. Of course, you're a cat. You're not going to come when you're called. Yeah, my funded futures is in my top 3. Unfortunately, they're probably killing their affiliate program. Edward. Oh, I know. Come on. Oh, people want to see you, and then I'll give you the treat. We tried that one year. We still have scars. I think if you could live stream instead of me, I'll have more viewers on a regular basis. Let everybody see how big you are. Ugh. Big, big kitty. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Ugh. All right, go ahead, and I'll get you the treat that I tempted you with, so you'll come over. There you go. All righty, guys. We've reached the end of our stream, end of our party. Still got beard here in my mouth. I appreciate you all. We will be here next week. I hope most of you stop in at least. So this isn't my last Merry Christmas message, but I hope everyone has a great holiday that won't be stopping in next week. And thank you all for your support throughout the year, especially this year. So anyway, hope everyone has a great weekend. We'll be back on Monday for streaming Monday and Tuesday. No Monday Night Ox on Monday, though. But hope you all have a good one, and see you next week.